here's Jade.
Sporting a new hairdo.
Sporting that new mohawk.
She looks like a rooster. The white rooster.
The white rooster.
The white rooster.
And the Waffles chant begins.
And we've got a tag team match.
Yes, we do. You said that so-and-so.
Yeah, you talked to the
Well, you know, Karen.
And one time the big boss did manage the Army of Two. And since they got rid of that dead weight, the Army of Two have been soaring to the top of the tag team division here in Crew. You know, the people at home,
Really?
yeah.
And here they are, Bishop and Big Boy Cross, the Army of Two, your reigning and defending Crew Tag Team Champions.
I think they're going to have this run for a very long time back.
As he got gold. He ain't had to move no paper or nothing. He got gold. He went out there and he earned it, so to speak. Yeah, he earned it, honestly.
Like I said, ever since they dropped Michael Powell, they've been running roughshod through Crew. It's a fact. They may even have a longer title reign than you and your brother.
Yeah, you got to pull out some history books on that. I can't keep track of this stuff. I keep telling you, I get hit in the head for stuff. Memories aren't there.
See, that's what I'm here
in the 80s.
I'm the encyclopedia.
Uh-oh! Johnny Liberty and Bo Crockett.
Oh, the pretty boys.
Liberty.
The pretty boys.
Pretty boys.
They're pretty. Or they think they are.
They
And,
represent America. And
well-
all that is good.
let me explain something. When Johnny and Bo were standing in line for brains, well, they got the short end of the stick.
Stick, line, brains. No
Yeah.
correlation. Sorry, lost me on that one. Short end of the stick on the line on brains. And here they are.
No, that's so.
Johnny Liberty and Bo Crockett, the Sons of Liberty. Here tonight on this 9/11,
They look like they belong in the Backstreet Boys.
the annual 9/11 Memorial Show.
Whatever, right.
And here we have the tag team gold. I miss those belts. They felt so good around your waist.
Ah, the pretty boy said hi to me. Oh my
A
God.
sweet name too.
Whatever.
It's a sign of affection. Affection.
Yeah.
Wonder what he admitted if he'd have called you Steven. Thank you. Right. Referee checking him out. Ring the bell.
We broke the bell.
Technical difficulties. Big Boy Cross out to the ring. Bishop.
I thought that was an earthquake.
You're good, baby.
And we're off and running here with this tag team match.
Sons of Liberty showing they're here to play tonight. If you come, you can better be ready for a fight. Just another day on the JOB. Referee Jade backing both men up so that the Army of Two can get in the ring. Ooh, big guns running roughshod all over Crew.
Please get in back, please. Please, baby.
It's called respect. Respect the champions.
Well, please, like
You and Benny never demanded respect.
Johnny Liberty in control. joint. Bishop with a kick to the side of the thigh.
And now, Bishop yanking down on that arm.
Yeah, putting him up in a hammerlock. Forearm to the back, another forearm to the back, working him downwards.
Working the arm there.
Yeah, a little hair pulling going on. Back to that hammerlock. Liberty, the forearm, kidney punch. Tries for a clothesline, slump hands under.
Into a power slam by Johnny Liberty.
Out hard, goes to the pin, 1, 2. Bishop kicks out. Johnny Liberty clearly in control, takes Bishop over to his corner, tags in. Bill Crockett shoots him into a corner. Liberty with a big old butt bump.
Into a
Crockett with a splash. Oh! Buns of Thunder.
Buns of Thunder?
Buns of Thunder.
Really?
Bill Crockett with the pin. 1, 2. Bishop kicks out.
I think James was thinking about waffles there.
Yeah, thinking about this Buns of Thunder.
What is it with you and Johnny Liberty's Buns of Thunder?
Suplex. And with the count 1, 2. Bishop kicks out. Bill Crockett still in control. Bishop with a punch to the gut and a rake to the eyes.
No. I didn't see a break to the eye.
Bill Crockett in the corner. Bishop with a punch to the gut. Made tag. Referee Jane says no tag made.
Tag made. Yes, there was
Could have been. The refs got to see it. That's just technicalities again. Bishop with his close fist. Bill Crockett hit hard and then it turned back. Yeah, rubbing his eyes up.
He wasn't running his. He was not running his eyes.
Turn back.
Turn back. Yeah, back. You want to sit the next match out?
Bishop.
We'll deal you out next hand, all right?
Bishop and Big Boy working on Bill Crockett in that corner.
Good tag team wrestling, cutting off the ring.
Double teaming him in the corner. Bishop cheating.
It's only cheating if he ain't caught.
Exactly. Tag that didn't happen.
Right. It's called a blind tag.
Yeah, so
The ref was
didn't
blind.
even see it.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a hard part of the ring, too. Johnny Liberty trying to get back into the ring. Well, just the sure weight of Big Boy Cross, crushing the chest of Bo Crockett.
Big Boy's worried about,
Bo Crockett living?
yes.
No, he's still alive. There is still breath in Bo Crockett.
Surprisingly.
Big Boy Cross with that big knee hook across his shoulders. Bo Crockett trying to fight back. Big Boy Cross with the tag.
Kick to the ribs by Bishop.
Big forearm to the back of the head.
I think that's it, Max.
1, 2. Bo Crockett has enough intestinal fortitude to kick out. The Bishop just blatantly standing on the man's
He's trying to massage his throat.
Trying to massage his throat. I swear the things that you see and I see, it's like we're in two different realities.
Yeah, my reality's much better than yours.
No, mine has Doctor Who. I'll be watching when I get home. Oh, and a knee to the face. Bo Crockett staggered.
Nice standing. It wasn't a double drop kick, it was a standing drop kick by Bishop.
Still double. We'll see. Bo Crockett kicks
And
out.
you yell at me about technicalities.
Yes. I hate them. No, they suck.
So do you, but I don't say
Crockett
anything.
in trouble now. Headbutt to the ribs. Oh, man. Big Boy Cross blows up some ribs.
He does. He does. I went to a rip run when he won. We got kicked out.
Oh, of course, Bo. Big Boy. It's done nothing wrong. Come on. It's all you can eat buffet tonight. Come on.
Well, I never offered to take him to a buffet.
Always want some left for you, don't you?
I gotta make sure I eat.
Bo Crockett fight back. Putting those punches right in the forehead, off the ropes. Clothesline, tries to take the big man out.
That didn't quite work. That's a lot of meat
Johnny
on the top
Liberty.
rope. See, this is illegal. The referee is not counting
the count of 5.
She's not counting the 5.
And 1, 2, big boy powers out. Just throwing Johnny Liberty off like a
Johnny Liberty gonna look shocked at that.
into the corner with a headbutt. And a turnbuckle. Yeah. Shoots the big man off the ropes. Flying shoulder tackle. Right in his tracks. Good try. God. Johnny Liberty tried to play Superman and ran into a wall of kryptonite.
Good analogy there, Max.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's year 1 for the year.
Yay me. Johnny Liberty fight back.
But Bishop not having any of it.
Right here.
It was vicious.
It wasn't quite vicious, but it was big. Sized him up. There's Kimpo, Kendo, Shaoshinsu, whatever karate kicks going on downstairs.
How about just a kick to the legs?
Johnny Liberty with a German suplex.
A modified German. Yeah, a modified German.
1, 2, and Bishop kicks out.
You know, instead of worrying about what Big Boy
Johnny
Cross is
Liberty
doing,
tags Bo Crockett, sets him up. What are we looking at here? Holy! The Rockets went flare. I don't know. What do you call that? We had a 2 count. Bishop and Big Boy Cross comes in and breaks the pin.
and it's broken down here.
Is the referee going to be able to get control?
She's lost control. T-bone suplex.
Bishop out of the ring. Big Boy Cross halfway out of the ring. Bo Crockett, the only one left in. What are we going to see? Catches the big man on the way in. Forearms to the back. Shoved over to Bishop. I don't know if Bishop knows where he's at right now.
He doesn't. I looked into his eyes. They're glazed over.
Like a donut.
Donut.
What are we setting up for here?
Suplex Tower of Doom or whatever.
Holy moly. Oh my God.
I don't know.
Did anybody die?
No. We got to pile up on I-64.
2. And Big Boy Cross there to break it up. Bo Crockett firing in those right hands. Big Boy Cross getting back, giving as good as he can get.
Well, that's a lot of meat to move around in that ring. Big Samoan drop by Bo Crockett.
Beautiful. Bo Crockett showing that inner strength. Bishop working over Johnny Liberty in the
So we've got
corner.
action all over the place here.
We don't know who's legal.
I think it's Bishop and Bo Crockett maybe.
Johnny Liberty went for Bishop in the corner. Missed. Bishop climbs to the top rope.
And form on the top.
The outside of the ring, Big Boy Cross has a pipe hand. Size it up. Oh, it misses. Seems to have hurt his little hands. Bishop and Johnny Liberty fight.
No, I don't know what to call, Max.
We've got so
You
much
take the outside, I'll
right
take the
now.
inside. And Bishop picks up Johnny Liberty.
into a fireman's carry. What are we going to see here? I'm sure it's going to hurt. Johnny Liberty throws out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow! We've got him caught.
Bo Crockett looks shocked that they actually won a match.
We've got new tag team champions.
Was this for the titles?
As far as I know, this is for the title. No. punks. I tell you what, the disrespect that I've gotten tonight.
You touched their property.
I didn't touch their property. The boys in the ring won those titles.
It was a non-title match.
Says where? Not on my piece of paper.
You got the wrong
Believe every time you walk out with gold around your waist, you don't have to defend that title. You didn't win.
Wait. Now just wait. Just 10 minutes ago, when the Assassin cheated and pinned William Alexander Huckabee in a non-title, non-sanctioned match
With no referee.
Yeah, you were so willing to give that belt back to the Assassin, weren't you?
I saw a referee. I saw a match.